Halloween is next week, so I spent most of this week spookifying my stream with various Halloween-themed graphics and animations, and I might be a little bit biased here, but I think they turned out pretty cool. So I figured, why not share? So this week, I'm giving you all of the graphics, animations, and illustrations I made to decorate my digital sets. 100% free, no strings attached. You can use them for the rest of forever for whatever you want. There are some cool looping particle animations you can use as backdrops or as animated camera borders, some static backdrops, some illustrations you can use to decorate your stream using emotes or use as channel points rewards images, and even a couple Halloween themed camera borders. I've also uploaded source files for the stuff I made in Blender if you want to grab those and learn how I did things. All you have to do is download the graphics from the Discord, link in the description, and get creative. And if you do end up using any of these, I'd love to see your results. So please do tweet them at me or post them in the Your Art section on the Discord. And if you like these kinds of free graphics and animations, the absolute best way to show your support for the channel is to hit that like and subscribe button and ring the bell. It's completely free, it really helps me out, and most importantly, it lets you know when there's cool new stuff to check out. If you have any questions or just want to come hang out with the coolest community on Twitch, I'm live at least every Friday at twitch.tv/oraclefishlive. Until next time, my name is Chris Folea. I'm your stream scholar. Class is out.